Hello once again guys, I finished already. You see, now I fix little bit only here before I leave in the kitchen, so that Sarah, if she wake up and she make Nescafe here, it's clean already. It's not clean too much, at least I can fix something. Okay, and that is my life here. If I finish ready to go, so I must clean little bit, and I make only slowly because everybody is asleep. My alaga, she sleep with Madam and Sarah in their room. So now, almost na, if I finish here in the kitchen, I go to the bathroom and then go to the balcony to fix the balcony, to clean there because I have some laundry. Before I wake up, singing. Okay? So that is the life. That is my life in the morning. And this one I prepared here, and that is later na. Okay, so that's what I have here. So that another view naman there here in the kitchen. Okay. Morning. Parang baho dito kasi. Diba? Parang hindi siya masyadong baho. Sino ba yun? Nabaliktad na yung cellphone ko. Ay, mahirap talaga pag cellphone. This one, binubuksan ko yan. Everyday. Focus lang para yung smell sa loob makapaglabas ng konti siya. Okay? So now, this one, I fixed this one for hair. This one. Okay? Again, it's here. So I'm almost finished. And I leave na this one for the, wag mahulog. Diba? Ganito lang. Almost 5:30 na AM here in Baghdad. Andiyan, inom tayo ng siya. Ano ko ng tubig bago papasok na sa loob. Okay, bye again for watching. See you later. I go inside na already and I fix it. Okay, and just come back na here later when I fix this one. And then the lunch of Sisi. So, the sausage, I put ko the salmon. Cover ko yung salmon para hindi siya, para, tsaka hindi na yan masyadong, okay? Yala, bye-bye again. Keep safe lagi, and shout out to all nationwide and worldwide. Thank you again, thank you for watching, and thank you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye. Shout out, subscribe. Bye.